Hi students, now I am going to present one problem on fixed capital method, second problem on fluctuating capital method. Here Tripathi and Chauhan are partners. They share their profit or loss in 3:2. Their capitals 60,000, 40,000 given in the problem, and profit of the firm 30,000 given, and partners are entitled 1,000 per month salary and 5% interest on capital. Here interest on drawing is 5% given. Drawings amount 12,000 of Tripathi and 8,000 of Chauhan given. From these information you have to prepare partners accounts when capitals are fixed. Here when capitals are fixed means you have to prepare mainly two accounts, that is partners capital account, then partners current account. Here in this problem they have given profit of rupees 30,000, firm's profit of rupees 30,000. Here they have not mentioned salary or interest on capital to be adjusted. That means salary and interest on capital everything is adjusted in this profit. Therefore there is no need to charge once again in the profit and loss appropriation account. Therefore first you have to distribute or appropriate this profit of the firm 30,000 to the partners in profit and loss appropriation account. Therefore first prepare profit and loss appropriation account. Credit side you have to record that profit given in the problem by profit and loss 30,000. Here there is no need to charge salary and interest on capital because in the question they have not said. You have to adjust that salary and interest on capital to the partners. And this 30,000 you have to distribute that profit to the partners. Tripathi current account, Chauhan's current account in their profit sharing ratio, that is 3:2. 30,000 into 3 by 5, then you will get 18,000. 30,000 into 2 by 5, then you will get 12,000. Next, as this problem is based on fixed capital method, therefore you have to prepare first partners capital account. In the partners capital account only you have to write whatever capital brought in by the partner or additional capital brought in by the partner. Here in this question they have given only capital brought in by the partner, that is 60,000, 40,000. Therefore credit side you have to record by balance brought down. Tripathi 60,000, Chauhan 40,000. Debit side no entry because capital is not withdrawn by the partner. Here drawings is different and capital withdrawn by the partner is different. Drawings you have to record in current account. Only if partners withdraw capital, then you have to record debit side. Here therefore credit side more. The same balancing figure you have to write to balance carried on debit side 60,000, 40,000. Next all adjustments of the partners account you have to do in partners current account. Here credit side, partners current account credit side you have to record partners income or profit of the partner. Debit side you have to record partners loss or drawings, anything is there you have to record debit side. Here in the question they have given salary of partner is 1,000 per month. Therefore here by partner salary 1,000 into 12 of each partner means you will get 12,000, 12,000. Next interest on capital, in the question they have given 5% rate of interest, that you have to calculate on the opening balance of the partner's capital, that is 60,000, 40,000. On that if you calculate 5%, then you will get interest on capital of Tripathi 3,000, Chauhan 2,000. Next here profit and profit transferred to the partners Tripathi and Chauhan already calculated in profit and loss appropriation account. That profit you have to distribute to the partner in partner's current account. Therefore 18,000, 12,000 you have to record as by profit and loss appropriation account. Only this side, this much entry in the credit side. Debit side Here in the question they have given drawings 12,000, 8,000, that you have to record debit side. Then in the question they have given rate of interest on drawing. Here 5% rate of interest on drawing given. That 5% if you calculate on 12,000, then you will get 600. Then if you calculate 5% on 8,000, then you will get 400. Here no other entry. Here credit side more. From credit side total, if you deduct debit side items, then you will get balancing figure, that is 20,400 of Tripathi and Chauhan 17,600. Next problem. Here in the second problem, Anubha and Kajal are partners. They share profit and loss in 2:1. Their capitals given 90,000, 60,000, and profit of the firm given 45,000. And here both partners are allowed salary rupees 700 per month to Anubha and rupees 500 per month to Kajal. That means 700 into 12 you have to do. Next 500 into 12. Next in this question they have given interest allowed on capital at 5%. That means that 5% you have to calculate on capitals of the partners, that is 90,000, 60,000. Then drawings at the end of the partners given 8,500, 6,500. Interest is to be charged at 5% per annum on drawings. That means a rate of interest on drawing given 5%. From these information you have to prepare partners capital account when capital accounts are fluctuating. When partners accounts are fluctuating means here you have to prepare only one account, that is partners capital account. You should not write current account. Current account comes in a fixed capital method. This problem is based on a fluctuating capital method. Here in this problem they have given profit of the firm of 45,000. Here there is no need to adjust interest on capital, salary. You have to assume that interest on capital and salary is already adjusted in this profit. Therefore there is no need to adjust once again that salary and interest on capital in the profit and loss appropriation account. Only this 45,000 this profit you have to distribute to the partners in profit and loss appropriation account. Here in the profit and loss appropriation account credit side you have to record by profit and loss, that is the profit given in the question 45,000. This 45,000 you have to appropriate or distribute to partners, that is Anubha's capital account, Kajal's capital account. Don't write a current account because this problem is based on fluctuating capital method. Here and salary you should not charge and interest on capital also you should not charge. All these are already adjusted to the profit. Therefore if 45,000 you have to distribute in 2:1, then you will get 30,000, 15,000. Then outer column 45,000, same total both side. Next, as this problem is based on fluctuating capital method, only one account you have to prepare, that is partners capital account. Credit side you have to record by balance brought down, that is opening capital of the partner given in the question, that is 90,000, 60,000. You have to record by balance brought down 90,000, 60,000. Next, here in the question they have given salary rupees 700 per month to Anubha and 500 per month to Kajal. Therefore 700 into 12 you have to do. Next 500 into 12, then you will get 8,400, 6,000. Next in the question they have given interest allowed on capital 5%. You have to calculate interest on capital 5% on the opening capital of the partner, that is 90,000, 60,000. 90,000 into 5%, then you will get 4,500. Then next 60,000 into 5%, then you will get 3,000. Then next you have to distribute, already distributed that profit and loss appropriation account profit. You have to write that profit and loss appropriation profit, credit side 30,000, 15,000. Credit side always you have to record here profit or income of the partner. Debit side, any losses and drawings, everything you have to record debit side. Here in the question they have given drawings of the partner 8,500 for Anubha and 6,500 for Kajal. You have to record two drawings, 8,500, 6,500. Next, rate of interest on drawing given 5% per annum on drawings. Therefore, if you calculate 5% on 8,500, you will get 425. Next, 5% on 6,500, you will get 325. No other entry. Here credit side more. From that total, if you deduct debit side items, then you will get balancing figure. Then both side total equal. Thank you.